Let's demonstrate the surface marking of the parotid gland. The first point for marking the parotid gland is taken at the upper border of head of the mandible. The second point is taken just above the middle of the center of the masseter muscle. The third point is marked below this landmark. What is this? This is the angle of the mandible. So third point is marked posterior inferiorly, right? So this is where we will mark the third point. The fourth point is marked on the anterior surface of the mastoid process, right? Now, how do we draw the parotid gland? First, draw the line joining the first and the second point, then the second and the third point. This gives us the anterior border. Now, connect the third and the fourth point. This gives us the posterior border. Now, connect the first point with the fourth point below the lobule of the ear. This gives us the position and surface marking of the parotid gland. Once we have marked the parotid gland, let's mark the parotid duct. How do we mark the parotid duct? First, mark a point in front of the lower border of the tragus. The second point is marked between the ala and the red margin of the upper lip. So, mark it here, right? Now, connect these two points, right? So, connect these 2 points. The middle third, right? The middle third of this line connecting a point in front of the tragus and a point between ala of the nose and the red margin of the upper lip. This represents the position of the parotid duct.